Today I'm going to show you how to install the Capitalize My Title WordPress plugin. First, go to your email account where you received the email for your Capitalize My Title purchase. Click on the link that says Capitalize My Title Premium to download a zip file. Now, take this zip file and go to your WordPress plugins page where you have a list of all your installed plugins. Click on Add New. Wait for the page to load, then go to Upload Plugin, choose a file from your downloads screen. Now click Install Now. This should upload the plugin to your WordPress site and install the plugin. If everything goes smoothly, you should see an option to activate your plugin. Now when you're landing on the plugins page again, you should see Capitalize My Title. If for any reason you need to deactivate your plugin, you can do so here. The next step is to activate your copy of Capitalize My Title. So go to Capitalize My Title in your sidebar, click on it, and you will be prompted to enter a license key. This key is included in the email that you received, so you should copy that license key into this license key box and click Save License. This will automatically enable the plugin and allow you to access the options and the page settings as you will find later in the tutorials. Thank you for watching.